After operating skid steers for almost 50 years and talking with many other operators, a common problem has been consistent throughout my time as an operator. That problem is visibility immediately alongside and directly behind the skid steer they are operating. We have developed a product that will allow operators to see along their tires and tracks as well as the back corners of their machine. Backup cameras help, but only allow visibility further behind the skid steer, typically around 12 feet behind the machine. We are offering an innovative creation, the Side View Mirror. The Side View skid steer mirror gives operators the ability to see next to their machines, allowing them much safer operating conditions. Just pop on and off as needed according to the conditions you are operating in. When you're operating in brush or heavily wooded situations, you can just take off the skid steer mirrors in the unlikely event that they could be knocked out of viewing alignment or damaged. No longer will operators need to have a head that swivels like an owl's. The skid steer mirror can be used on skid steers and tractors at skidsteermirror.com. Skid steer mirror, providing visibility, easy to install, and fits most skid steers.